Alright, so what we got here is a auxiliary transmission filter. I installed it in 6 of 2016. I don't know if you can see that, but this is a filter that came with the transmission filter kit. It's a Ph253. I really don't know what the brand is. It doesn't have a brand name on it. I'm going to cut it open. It's been on there for a couple years, and it should have been swapped out by now. High flow. Okay. I replaced this filter with a Wix 5108. So let's see. Yeah, looks pretty good there. The rubber anti-drain back thing looks like it's still functional. Doesn't have any cracks or failed parts in it. And let's see. It just came right off of the cover. It wasn't glued to it anymore. Doesn't seem like it was a very good seal. I guess it was alright. It was stuck on that rubber gasket was on there. Looks like it's got like a plastic reinforcement cage inside. Let's look at the ribs on here. The ribs look pretty good still. I don't see any junk in there. No large particles of debris or anything like that. This thing is one of those waved piece of shaped metal type springs in there, which is kind of cheesy. I really don't like these kind, but I've even seen this kind in a K&N and